the inside of a front-end electric dryer, front-end loaded electric dryer looks like on the inside. This is it. What you're looking at, that's the mount for the drum, and behind it those little spikes, that's the Nicron heating element. And over here we have the blower motor. This is the exhaust vent for the for the dryer, and this is the pulley for the belt that goes around the drum. And for the rest of the parts, this is the bracket, like a bridge that keeps the control board in place. And there's the front control board. That's the belt. And the drum and the front.